To enable server timeout settings on your PlayStation 5, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you adjust the settings for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Access Settings. Navigate to the home screen of your PlayStation 5. From there, scroll to the gear icon located in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 2. Select Network. In the settings menu, find and select the network option. This section allows you to manage your internet connection and related settings. Step 3. Configure internet connection. Within the network settings, choose Settings and then select Setup Internet Connection. This will lead you to the options for your current internet connection. Step 4. Adjust timeout settings. Look for the option that refers to timeout or connection timeout. Depending on your system's software version, you may need to navigate through additional menus to find this setting. Adjust the timeout duration as desired. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting the timeout settings, make sure to save your changes. Exit the menus and restart your PlayStation 5 to ensure the new settings take effect. By following these steps, you can successfully enable and adjust the server timeout settings on your PlayStation 5. Enjoy your gaming experience.